Section 1.2, Objective 4, Write a fraction in lowest terms. Definition of lowest terms. A fraction is written in lowest terms if the numerator and the denominator share no common factor other than 1. So what we're going to do to write fractions in lowest terms is use the reverse idea of what is used to create equivalent fractions. When we had fractions that we wanted to make equivalent fractions, we multiplied the numerator and the denominator by the same number. When we want to write a fraction in lowest terms, we're going to divide out that common factor or cancel out the common factor. So C divides into C once, or you can also think of it like this: C divided by C is going to give me 1, C divided by C is going to give me 1. And so this is going to leave me with A divided by B, and this will represent lowest terms. When writing a fraction in lowest terms, we factor the numerator as primes, factor the denominator as primes, and then divide out those common factors. All right, let's do an example. We are going to write 15 over 55 in lowest terms. In order to do that, we are going to factor out the 15 and we're going to factor out the 55. So I can already tell here that 15 is the same thing as 3 times 5, and 55 is the same thing as 5 times 11. So I can rewrite this fraction . 15 over 55 is equal to 3 times 5 over 5 times 11. They both have a common factor of 5 in the numerator and denominator, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel out that 5. Whenever we cancel out any common factors, there's always going to be a factor of 1 left over in its place. And this is going to leave me with 3 over 11. Okay, let's do another example. Let's write 16 over 84 in lowest terms. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to factor out the 16. So I know that 16 is the same thing as 4 times 4, and then 4 is 2 times 2, and 4 is 2 times 2. So the prime factorization of 16 is just going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with the 84. I'm going to factor out 84. 84 is the same thing as 2 times 42, and 42 is the same thing as 6 times 7, and 6 is the same as 2 times 3. So the prime factorization of 84 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. We have some common factors here. I can cancel out this pair of 2's right here, and I can cancel out this pair of 2's right here. So we're going to be left with 2 times 2 is 4 in the numerator, and 3 times 7 is 21. And we can rest assured that this is written in lowest terms. There are no more common factors in the numerator. There are no more common factors in the denominator that we can cancel out. So we have simplified this fraction.